A very good morning, everyone. As you all know, I am a teacher. So today is Lohri celebration in my school, means virtual celebration. So I am getting ready for Lohri celebration. So I just want to tell you all how to get ready with very few things. There is no need of lots of things. Only very few things we can use. And normal I will be ready. But I just wanted to tell you all. So I want to show something to you all. I have few things only like this pre-primer and this CC cream, Pond's CC cream, and this compact and these things. I will be telling you when I will be using it. So as you all can see, I am wearing a suit, a kind of Punjabi suit, I think. So I will tell you how I am going to do it. As you can see, there is a sindoor on my face because after puja मैं ये टीका लगाती हूँ और मैं इसे रिमूव नहीं करना चाहती हूँ. सो आई विल रिमूव एवरीथिंग बट आई विल नॉट रिमूव दिस. सो फर्स्ट देर इज़ नथिंग ऑन माई फेस इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस काजल एंड दिस लिपस्टिक ओनली. सो बट फिर भी आई विल यूज़ दिस गुलाबरी गुलाब जल फॉर क्लीन माई फेस. I don't want to remove this tika because I love it and it's about God, and I believe that it should be on your forehead. So after doing it, I'm not taking napkins and all that, which I have, but I don't want to use it because I don't have too much time. So just I'm cleaning my face with this normal hanky, and it's also a Jugaru calm, which and a normal thing which all we are having at our homes. No need to purchase lots of things. So you can see my face is clean now. So first what I will do, I will take this Lakme ka moisturizer, peach milk moisturizer. I will put it on my face. My skin is little bit dry, so I am using this much. Just put it on your ears also. Then nothing else. After it's done, then you can take this pre-primer. If you don't have, you can skip it. Only this much. I'm not using anything else. I'm just doing everything with my hands. I'm not using concealer also for my blackheads also and for my dark circles, because as you all know that I am going to be ready for my virtual school Lohri celebration. So after that, only this CC cream, Lakme CC cream, it is 9 to 5. You all can use it. It's a good product and it's a good thing because from last 2 years I have started using it and the result is good. So all done. Now you can see my face. It's all done. Now I will move forward to the eyebrows. Okay, what I am going to do with my eyebrows, so I am using this pencil. This I have taken from a shop. I don't know which company it is. So I will just first do with it. मैं पहले इसी से करूँगी, then I will fill it. Okay, a very easy नुस्खा I want to tell you that you all must be having your mascara. और कभी कभी हमारा मस्कारा सूख जाता है तो हम उसे थ्रो कर देते हैं. बट what we can use, I was also having this Lakme का mascara, but now it is dry. It's so tight. Maybe I will not be there for so long. So this brush is going to help us for setting our eyebrows. See, you can see difference. Yes, na? So you can also use it. Don't throw your dry mascaras. It will work good if you will use it. Acha, I have not used the pencil this side. सो फर्स्ट आई विल टेल यू कि फर्स्ट हम लोग ये पेंसिल से करते हैं सो दैट एक शेप मिल सके, और आइदर यू कैन यूज़ दिस पेंसिल और यू कैन यूज़ द ब्रश ऑल्सो. I think it's done. One side I think it's darken and one side it's light. So we can do it. Most of the time I forgot using compact because I am not very fond of that. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा compact नहीं यूज़ करती हूँ. Next thing which I want to put is अच्छा, you can see my टीका ना. This thing I want to put is I forgot my eyeliner somewhere. Okay, so what I will do, I will put the kajal. अच्छा, अबाउट काजल आई विल से कि ऐसे आप मोटा मोटा काजल लगाओगे ना तो योर आईज विल लुक ब्रॉड, थोड़ी बड़ी लगेंगी आपकी आँखें. ओके, सो आई विल जस्ट सजेस्ट यू कि ट्राई इट वंस. जिनकी आंखें छोटी हैं यू भी दे कैन ट्राई. It's done I think, and I forgot my eyeliner. Just give me 1 minute, I'm coming back with my eyeliner. It's not there. Okay, you can use, I have this Mars Padlet. You can use its black color also or brown color also for your threadings. Okay, आप इसे अपने threadings के लिए use कर सकते हो. So I am not very fond of this. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा इसका यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ, बट अभी स्कूल का भी है, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस आई हैव टू टेक, सो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू पुट इट टू मच. सो आई विल टेक ओनली लिटिल बिट फॉर जस्ट I'm not going to put it too much because my classes has to start now and I have to go. So I will take only, you can see the shade, it's brown. I'm not going to make a very smoky eyes or something else because a teacher should be always simple, you know. So just give me 1 minute, I'm coming back with my eyeliner. Yes, here I am with my eyeliner, and it's the Aladdin eyeliner. I have Lakme ka eyeliner also, but I don't like its brush. I like its brush and it's I think it's cheap than that also. I will put only halka sa. First I am making a thin line from here. You can also do it, and you can put eyeliner with kajal also. I will tell you the difference between the using eyeliner, kajal as eyeliner or these eyeliners. It's just a general thing. It's just a very easy makeup look for school. or for anywhere you want to go but you don't want too much makeup, so you can you can take help with this video. I always face problem, मैं हमेशा ही प्रॉब्लम फेस करती हूँ इसमें। अच्छा, व्हाट हैपेंस नॉर्मली कि जनरली ये होता है कि बहुत लोग के आईलाइनर्स ऊपर लग जाते हैं, बट अगर आप आईलाइनर लगाते समय भी अपनी आंखें ओपन रखोगे और आप सामने ही देखते रहोगे तो यू विल नॉट फेस दिस प्रॉब्लम। ओके, सो जिन्हें भी ये प्रॉब्लम होती है कि आईलाइनर गीला होता है और टाइम कम ज़्यादा लगता है, सो व्हाट दे कैन डू, दे कैन यूज़ जनरली एंड दे कैन यूज़ काजल ऑल्सो, eyeliner by काजल. Okay, so you can see it's not perfect because I'm also in hurry. My class timing is 11:35 and I have to do it faster. So generally bindi pattas, I have different kinds, different shapes of bindi pattas. You can see, but today I will use a bigger one, a maroon color and a bigger one. See, it's not red, it's maroon. It's looking red in video but it's not look. So I am done. I have to do only my lipsticks and acha, you can make your lips shape with this liner also. This is a sketch pen liner. And what I like this, there is a mole but it's a very small. See, I think it is looking good. So it's not settled, I think, so I will take help of this. I have brushes also, but because of shortage of time, I was not planning for this, but I thought कि if I am going to do it, so I should make video. That's why I started. Now lipstick on. Achha, you can see shade of maroon, so I will put maroon. But right now I think I have not brought. Achha, maroon I have. Huda Beauty. This was Lakme, but I am going to use maroon, so I will use this Huda Beauty lipstick. My husband's never liked this lip liner. Sometimes for a change, when I try it now, my husband scolds me. Lipstick done, but I think now I should do it darken, so I am going to use my kajal for doing it darken. But whenever you are going to do it na, so please do it with I'm not liking it now, so I'm going to clean it. Acha, whenever you are cleaning your eyeliner or anything, you can use this Joy, or you can use any body lotion or cold creams for cleaning your anything like eyeliner or anything. So ऐसे हैंड पे लेके रब कर लेंगे, देन इट्स क्लीन। एंड आई थिंक मुझे थोड़ा सा कॉम्पैक्ट लगा ही लेना चाहिए, बट ओनली फॉर हेयर। जहाँ पे थोड़ा सा आपको फील हो कि डार्कन्स लग रहा है तो जस्ट पुट इट एंड so I am ready, and I will not wear too much chudis because Punjabis used to wear, and it's the normal dupatta. It's the normal dupatta of my suit. So what I will do, I will put where I have kept. So I have this pen. So I will just, what will I will do, I will divide in a portion, and yes, I hope it is looking good. Now I will make a choti, side choti, if I will get time. So I don't think that I have time, so I'm going to change my bangles. I will take only one bangles. So I will share with you all my whole Punjabi look. Till that, I'm going to make a side choti with this hairs. Till that, bye bye everyone. We will meet again. If you are liking my videos, please subscribe my channel, like, and you can also do comment. Bye bye.